How's it going? In this video, I want to talk about the Jungle Scout Sales Estimator. Now, why would you want to use something like this? Well, it'll give you an idea of how many times a product sells each month. So in this video, we're going to use this tool and then also actually came across a product that is a winner right now. So let's get into it. Welcome back. If you're new to this channel, my name is Jake Diego, and on this channel I talk about ways you can improve your Amazon business, also some personal development things, and lastly share my goals with you so that you can hold me accountable. So let's get into this Amazon Sales Estimator that Jungle Scout has on their website. Now, as I was looking for a product to do this on, I came onto GameStop's website and came across this Diablo 3 Loot Goblin Amiibo. Now, at the time that you view this, it may not still be a winner, but right now you can buy this for $16.99, and on Amazon's website, the buy box is at $33.82. So that was pretty cool, I thought. Now, the idea of this was just to find an example for you guys. And don't forget, if you do like this video, just let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions at all, please let me know. Anyways, on every Amazon product detail page, if you scroll a little bit down, you're going to see the best sellers rank. And in this case, it is 2219, and it's in video games. So now we're going to open up a browser to junglescout.com/estimator. And on there is a nice little tool. Now we can put in that sales rank, we can put in the marketplace, depending on where you are and where you're getting this from, and also that category of video games. And then if we click calculate sales, it's going to give us that number. Now, of course, this is an estimate. We don't actually have access to Amazon's data on the actual number. Nobody does. They hold that close to heart, but it at least gives you an idea of how to use this tool. So real simple. Enter the sales rank, enter the marketplace, enter the category, click that button. One note, if you do enter a space after the best sellers rank, you are going to get the N.A answer, which is no good. But this is useful because you can use this by figuring out, is there an opportunity in this product? If the buy box is at $33.82, and let's say these 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13-ish sellers are all within about 10% of that buy box, you could say that, those 13 sellers are getting the majority of those 120 sales. Oops, 210 sales, excuse me. So it gives you some idea of what's going on here. I mean, you can also use the how many extension. You also do a whole bunch of other things to figure out the actual quantity that the other sellers have. But this awesome tool with this sales estimator just gets you started, I guess, and gives you somewhat of an idea in any kind of research how much a product may sell. If you have any questions, definitely let me know below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.